Namaste yogis. Just one practice can activate your parasympathetic nervous system, and this practice is so easy. If someone wants to grow, someone wants to work on their relaxation of mind, so this video is for them. If you're looking how to control over your hyper emotions, how to control over your mind or the thoughts, so this video is for you. I will show you a very simple practice that you don't even need to sit in any particular asana or any specific place. You can practice this nice abhyasa anywhere. So today my topic is how to activate your parasympathetic system, which is concerned with our calming, cooling, and to work in a very relaxing manner. I will also introduce the difference in between sympathetic and parasympathetic system, what they do, and why are they important, why parasympathetic nervous system is important for us to activate. That's why this practice is concerned with that. So I would request you to please watch the video fully, and it's very interesting to know which is that practice that we can activate this calming. It will stay with you forever. It will stay with you regular, constantly. So that's why it's very informative as well. It's very important to learn these basic yogic practices. So I will give one introduction about what sympathetic system does. So sympathetic is more about physical. The people who are looking for more activity, they want to be more physical fit, the busy lifestyle, so they all fall under sympathetic system. Parasympathetic system is, I will also show to you which side you can easily identify if you're sympathetic or parasympathetic system, which one is more active. So now I'm talking about parasympathetic, which is for calming down. So if you see a person that the person is very much you always give this compliment to the person that you are so calm, how can you manage your overreactions, means the person has activated parasympathetic. You can too. How to activate? It's very simple. So as global yoga shakti, global yoga, global, we talk about so many global things are happening. So global shakti describes it as it's under our control. We can do it. And how to do it? As I mentioned in starting, that you don't need any specific posture or any asana, but you may choose whatever you feel good with. So if I choose any sitting position, maybe I sit in Sukhasana. The posture means the spine could be straight. It's always nice to keep your back straight. The left side, the left passage of our nostril, it is responsible for activating because it's concerned with the right hemisphere of the brain. So how to activate, how to make yourself calm? So the practice is, as you sit into your asana, you may hold Dhyan Mudra or meditative pose, so in which you are joining index finger to the thumb. You will close your right nasal. You have to inhale deeply, means you're increasing oxygen flow to your system, to your diaphragm. And when you exhale through the right. Again you inhale with left, exhale through right. Inhale with left, exhale through right. So very easy working, that you only need to remember that you are pressing your left nostril with your prana, So what it is doing, it's keep hitting your right hemisphere of the brain. And very easy, when you have to remember, just exhale with the right nostril. So as Yoga with Cassandra, she has a lot of information on these deep practices. So these are for daily practice. You bring them in your lifestyle and the workings are there. So as we can activate your parasympathetic system, you will find the changes, and these changes, they come after you put your efforts. So the efforts are required that first. That's why I defined what is sympathetic, but what is parasympathetic. So that's why you know exactly in which mode you are and on which side you should go, or you should bring your practice. As a sincere yogi, and all that information what you get on this channel, I always try to bring that authentic yogic information, so the information is reaching correctly, properly. So these things, they matter. So you take small tools and you bring them, you assemble them for your spiritual growth. So if you have any questions, any queries, put in the comments below. If you like the video, please press the like button. And if you're a newcomer, new person on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you always get notifications on time. And thank you for watching. Namaste.